Tracking internal time versus client time is crucial for effective project management and accurate billing, but if you're not sure where to start, it can be tricky to balance both. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to track both internal and client time without wasting any time yourself. First off, you need to differentiate between the two types of time. Internal time refers to the time spent working on your own tasks, internal meetings, planning, or any activities that are essential to your business, but aren't directly related to client deliverables. Client time is the time you spend actually working on the client's project, attending their meetings, or doing work that can be directly billed to them. Now, let's get into how you can efficiently track both of these times. The key to keeping everything organized is using a reliable time tracking tool. You don't need a fancy, expensive solution, just something that allows you to easily categorize time entries. With the software we're using today, you can create custom tags or categories for both internal and client work. This way, you can quickly assign the right time entry to either internal or client as you work. When you're using time tracking software, be sure to create separate projects or workspaces for internal tasks and client projects. This will help you easily toggle between the two when you need to input time, and it will give you clear visibility on how much time you're spending on internal work versus client work. Also, don't forget to use timers. Instead of trying to remember how long you worked on something later, start a timer when you begin a task. Once you're done, stop it. This method eliminates guesswork and helps with accuracy. When you stop the timer, make sure you categorize the time as internal or client related. The software we're using today will allow you to not only track time, but also generate detailed reports that show you exactly how much time was spent on client work versus internal work. This way, you can easily invoice clients based on actual work done, while also making sure that internal time is accounted for when you're evaluating business efficiency. One of the most important things to remember is to stay consistent. Track your time every day, even if it's just a few minutes at a time. This will prevent errors and ensure that you're properly categorizing each task. If you fall behind, it's easy to miss small chunks of time, which can add up and cause confusion when it's time to review or bill clients. Now that you know how to track both internal time and client time effectively, here's the key takeaway. Keep your time categories clear, use a reliable time tracking tool that fits your workflow, and be consistent. By doing this, you'll save yourself a ton of hassle down the road, and you'll be able to give clients accurate billing while keeping your internal operations running smoothly. Before I close off, remember to check the description for an exclusive free trial of the time tracking software we use today. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.